They say that April showers bring Mayflowers, but what do Mayflowers bring? Pilgrims. Hello everyone, this is Josh Robb from Hixon Zuercher Capital Management with an educational economic update for May 2017. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the major headlines that influenced markets in April and about a few first quarter reports. We hope this information offers insights into what these developments might mean for you as an investor. First quarter gross domestic product, or GDP, report was released April 30th. It showed consumer spending, which is 2/3 of the economic input, was increasing at a 0.3% annual rate. This is the slowest pace since the fourth quarter of 2009. The economy grew at a 0.7% rate in the first quarter, which is also the worst performance in 3 years. The Personal Consumption Expenditures, or PCE, price index, excluding food and energy, which is a measurement of inflation, slipped 0.1%, the first and largest drop since September 2001, after increasing 0.2% in February. In the 12 months through March, the core PCE price index increased 1.6%, but that was the smallest gain since July of 16. After advancing 1.8% this past February, it's also important to note that the three major indexes posted a monthly advance for April of about 1%. The S&P and the Dow both posted their fifth positive month in the last 6, while the Nasdaq has recorded 6 straight monthly gains. Most of these gains came in the last week of April when stocks posted rapid rallies as corporate earnings season kept revealing strong performances from top global companies. Speaking of earnings season, more than 50% of companies were surpassing profit estimates and about 70% were beating sales forecasts at the end of April. The number of companies topping profit and sales estimates this first quarter was above the 5-year average. You may be wondering how quarterly corporate earnings are strong while our economy expansion in the first quarter of this year was at the slowest pace since 2014. Well, the robust global growth is making up for the lack of domestic activity. Analysis shows that more business a U.S. company does overseas, the better its results. About 46% of the S&P 500 sales overall come from foreign markets. The S&P 500 companies that earn more than half of their revenue overseas are seeing earnings growth that is twice the rate of companies that do most of their business domestically. The Federal Reserve's Policy Committee will meet early May and is expected it will hold its rate steady. And while lawmakers reached an agreement in April to keep the government funded until the end of September, the full House and Senate still must approve this bipartisan pact sometime in May. That's it for this month's educational economic update. We'll see you again in June. Once again, this is Josh Robb with Hixon Zuercher Capital Management signing off for the month of May 2017. Please note that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation, but if you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 419-425-2400. We're happy to talk. Have a great day. I felt like I started to slouch. Work on my core.
Your core.